Hi guys, it's Mia, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some Halloween slimes I've made. And I'm also going to be doing a slime smoothie at the end of them, with all of the Halloween slimes. And question of the day is, what are you going to be for Halloween? I'm being a vampire, Ella's being a zombie princess, Luca is being Nemo, and my brother's being a ninja. So that is what we're being. Question is, what are you being? Okay, so now we can move on to showing you the Halloween slimes. Now, when we go over them, I'm going to be showing you guys, they're base slimes. They don't have all kinds of things in them. However, you can add things to some of them, like maybe in the plain orange one, maybe some spiders or something, you know. Whatever you prefer. Anyway, now let's get started with the video. So the first slime I'm going to be showing you guys is this plain black one. Now, I really like them. Now you can do these slimes clear or white based, but I prefer clear. Look at that. Now I really like it. I really do. Look at it. The black one. Now the black one is the one that I would say you really can't do with white base because it'll make it gray. And the red one, that one is also one that you can't do because it'll be pink, it won't. Anyway, the next one I'm going to show you guys is orange. On camera, it looks really brown, but it's not really brown. It's not really that brown. So yeah. So this is the orange one. The next one I'm going to be showing you guys is the electric green. It looks really dark green, and this is to represent the tricks. It's the electric green that represents tricks. I really like it, but it's like dark green on camera. It's electric green. And I'm sorry about the background noise. Next is purple, which is much darker off the green. Much darker. It's like a dark purple. That really turned out a little stiff. Do you want me to continue doing these, and do you want me to do them for every holiday? Because I will, if you want me to. Okay, next is my blood slime, which is the red one. It's really cool. It's my favorite. I'm being a vampire, so I really like it. I really do. I think I'm going to make a bigger batch of this one, and I'm just going to have it to be for Halloween. And the last one I'm going to show you is going to be a pink one. And I know you're probably thinking, what does pink have to do with Halloween? Well, it's representing the treats. And it has glitter in it. It's representing the treats. Okay. See? Represents the pretty treats. So anyway, we're going to be making a slime smoothie with all of them, but we're going to take away the black. We're not putting the black in for now. For obvious reasons, we're not going to be using the black at first. It'll be added after the rest of them. So you guys can see. So that, you know, it's not all black. Okay, so we're gonna be first, we'll mix purple and pink first. Oh, this makes such a nice color. Spooky, scary skeleton. Next, we're gonna do red and orange. Now we're gonna mix those two mixes. Now we're gonna add the green one. It's actually brown, but it's like a really nice brown, you know. It's kind of like, you know, counter brown, like brown you'd find on people's counters. It's like, you know, now we're gonna add the black, and it's probably gonna be black, you know. Oh, it's still a really, it's gotten even nicer of brown. Oh, I really like it. Anyway, that was my Halloween slimes. Be sure to comment down below what your Halloween costume is. Yeah, what are you being for Halloween? And if you don't celebrate Halloween, what would you be if you did? Or what are you being for other holidays? Because I know in other countries they have holidays where they do dress up that is not Halloween. Like I know I'm from Greece, so I know in Greece they celebrate Apokrias, which is in February, so you might not have your costume for that yet if you are from Greece. But like, if you have any holidays like that, what are you being for that? If you don't celebrate any holidays like that, comment down below what you would be if you did. So anyway, enjoy some ASMR. Oh, that was a bad swirl. Okay, the slime is not working for swirls. So anyway, yeah, ASMR is not working out with this slime, so anyway, yeah, bye guys, hope you enjoyed.